Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a cinematic video on the iPhone 14 series. So let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on the camera app. Next at the bottom here, swipe across until you see it says cinematic, and then tap on the continue button. Now you can zoom in one time or 3 times, and then press on the record button. At the top here you can also change the format, so you can change it to 24 FPS, 25 FPS or 30 FPS. And then I'm just gonna turn it sideways like this, and then press on the record button to record your cinematic video. Okay, once you are happy with the video, you can press on the stop button, and then you can tap on the preview button to play your video. And that's it. That is how you can take your cinematic video on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.